astronauts need to think clearly under pressure. Let's see if the cadets can remain calm among the treetops in their first forest challenge.
This is the Pamper pole. It's a 16-meter high pole, and so the goal is to climb up, turn around, and jump off. It's probably one of our most nerve-wracking high elements because it is a little bit more exposed, and you do get a little bit of wobble up there at 16 meters. You excited for it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You done anything like this before?
No.
No, never?
How do I look?
Oh, damn, that's a
Do I look good?
All right, this is a mock-up of the top of the pole up there. You just bring your foot up like so. The rope dangling in front of you. You're going to jump for it. Does all make sense? Yeah. All right.
I'd like y'all to line up from most excited to least excited. So my most excited people will be down here, and my people who want to wait a little bit more will be on this end.
I don't think the order changed at all except for Finton.
So she asked me who was most excited, and I put up my hand because I was. What's wrong with being excited? I mean, I was always enthusiastic just to try out everything, you know what I mean?
All right, you are anchor number 1. You are anchor number 2.
I want to be the first to try everything, you know? I want to be the first to do everything. First Irish astronaut as well, so, yeah.
Each cadet will go up on their own, but they'll be linked through a series of safety ropes held by the other cadets on the ground. Learning how to be safe is going to be a big part of the training here at Space Camp.
Lock 3!
They're shaking.
It moves! The top moves!
Oh, that's even tougher. The disc on top of the pole spins around. This really is a balancing act.
I can't do it. That's actually hard.
You got this, man! You can do it. Got this, man! Come on!
The top platform spins a little bit, so that is intentional. We're trying to see how you're going to adapt to change, because definitely at space camp or being an astronaut, you do have to be able to adapt on the fly.
I see it. It's menacing looking at me.
That looks so high. Can he jump?
Yeah, let's go do it.
Oh, I gotta go back.
No, you did not.
Walk them in slow. Keep the line tight.
It started shaking at the top though, and I was like, nah.
Next up, it's Asia.
I'm a bit nervous after seeing Finton, if I'm being quite honest, but I don't know. I'm hoping for the best.
I jump off, I'm absolutely gonna scream.
Asia has been a space nut since she was a kid. And Tim Peake is her favourite astronaut. Remember him? He loved playing water bubble ping pong in space. Well, who wouldn't?
There we go. Thank you for that. Oh, lads. What the? Ah, it moves. Why is it so wobbly?
Whenever you're ready, jump for the rope. You got this, Asia.
Oh yeah, did I mention that there's a bell at the end of the rope? You don't have to make it ring, but we know they all really want to.
Oh, lads. I have pins and needles in my entire body.
Jack is next, and he looks like he was ready for that spinning disc at the top. He flies up onto it.
Whoa! I'll go over this way. Yeah, I can see it.
Whenever you're ready, jump for it.
Whoa!
Nice. That was a good long jump.
That was grand. It was fun, like. Split second where I thought I'd die, but.
That was good.
Oh, he made it look effortless.
Yeah, but the thing is, I am probably the best. Now, listen, let me explain.
I'm not mad, so I am feeling nervous.
I'm always the first
get too
person to
big of
try.
an ego.
I'm enthusiastic. It's the mental thing.
Next to go is Connor. Can he get a ring out of that bell? Oh, so close.
Oh, God. Oh, that hurt. As long as I touched the rope, we're happy. No one has yet, like. Don't look down.
The rest of the space cadets don't hang around and are speeding up the pole. They've been watching each other and coming up with a strategy. They all want to be first to ring that bell.
What I realized is like the faster you go, like the less it has time to wobble, if that makes sense.
We're about to touch the top.
It really does change your perspective when you're actually up there because you see the disc on there, and apparently it was spinning as well. Didn't know this.
Yep. Yeah!
But like once you're at the top, there's like nowhere else you can go except down. So you just have to jump.
She missed it.
Well done, Aoife. The first bell ringer.
No one else touched the bell before me. Got that anyway, so it's happy out.
Yeah!
Do your best pose.
There we go.
Went for the jump and worked out fine, so.
I think today was good, and it was definitely different than yesterday, which, you know, I hope tomorrow's different than the other days too, and we keep on doing different things because they're fun. They're great.
Today was a good team bonding day, so I felt it was good overall and brought us probably closer, which would be good for the next couple of challenges.